Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix a iPhone network problem. So guys, if you are using iPhone and having any kind of network problem like data not working or call not working or Wi-Fi not working, any problem related to network, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you need to open your settings. So guys, after opening your settings, you need to scroll down. Here is the option of general. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, after this you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, and here you need to click on reset. And guys, after this you can see here the option of reset network settings. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and after this guys, here you need to write your passcode of your iPhone. And guys, after writing your passcode, the network setting will be reset in your phone. And after doing reset network setting, then your all the problem will be fixed related to network. So guys, after doing this, the second method is you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, how can you update? Simply guys, you need to open your settings, you need to click on general and click on software update, and make sure that your iPhone is up to date to latest iOS version, iOS 17. So guys, here you can see. So guys, if you are using less iOS version, means 16, 15 or 15 point something, then guys you need to update your phone to iOS 17. And guys, after updating, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and having a issue related to network again and again, then guys you need to click on Apple Sport. So guys, here you can see Apple Sport. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, here you need to select your gadget. And guys, after selecting it, you need to scroll down, click on more. And guys, here you need to select the option that is not working in your phone. So for example guys, here you can see the option of cellular services. So guys, if your cellular service means call problem or any mobile data problem, then guys, simply you need to click on it. And guys, after this you need to wait for a few seconds, and here is the option of call. So guys, simply you need to call on these numbers and tell them your problem to Apple Support, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. And guys, if you have the problem related to Wi-Fi, then guys you need to scroll down and find your Wi-Fi. Guys, you need to click on it, and guys you need to click on call, and you need to call on these numbers and tell them your problem. So guys, like that you can select any topic from here like VPN and any other like Safari browser. So guys, by doing this method, your network problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.